Did you know some birds judge their mates by their feet? Let me blow your mind with 5 crazy facts about the blue-footed booby's foot obsession. First, males literally dance to show off their bright blue feet. They lift each foot high in the air like they're marching in a parade. The bluer the feet, the sexier they are to females. Second, foot color tells the whole story about a male's health. Bright blue feet mean he has a strong immune system and can fight off diseases. Third, blue feet also prove he's an amazing fisherman. The better he hunts, the bluer his feet get from eating healthy fish. Fourth, females are super picky about foot color. They'll actually leave their partner if his feet start to fade during mating season. Talk about shallow. Fifth, the blue color comes from special pigments that only healthy birds can make. It's like nature's own health certificate written right on their feet. So next time someone judges you by your shoes, just remember, at least you're not a blue-footed booby.